Hey everybody, in this video I would like to talk about this implement. Okay, this is a mesh kit inside a case manufactured by Trangia of Sweden. So basically this is something that I will carry, okay, to have makan and all that. So this is a mesh tin with a cover, okay, and it has a optional insert here and also an optional cutting board. So this cutting board is designed to go with the Trangia. There's groove on the back for you to do some cutting and all that. And also, okay, if you are done with cooking or that, you need to strain. There's a strainer here. So let's put aside the cutting board. Okay, this is the business end of it. Okay, for you to have your makan. And the lid comes in very handy. Some people even use this to cook rice. So this optional accessory here is the pocket insert for the Trangia mesh tin. And of course this size is a small mesh tin. It goes for 11 euros, direct from Sweden. But I bought this for, I think maybe 18 Singapore dollars about 30 years ago when I was in Singapore. I bought this from the NTUC fair price. I went to a shelf where they sell camping equipment. Found this together with the Trangia Mini. So jackpot. So okay, moving on, we have the small little pocket pouch here. Okay, I carry a paracord. I carry this Snow Peak titanium cutlery. This is something very dear to me. I bought this in Japan also 30 years ago. I have with me a Victorinox Safari. This is super duper rare, because this is something that is out from the 70s right through the 80s. It has a large blade. Of course, this is a slip joint, it's not locking. This is good for preparing food, but this is what they call the Hunter version of the Safari. It has a wooden saw combination tool. It's a can opener and a bottle lifter, including a screwdriver on the tip. Super duper sharp. Okay. Okay, never mind. I'm going to sort it out later. So there's another implement here, which is a gutting tool here, serrated. And of course, no Victorinox knife will be complete without the corkscrew opener, which is now deemed obsolete because a lot of wine bottles, they use a screw-on cap. So okay, we set this aside. I also have a knife sharpener here to sharpen knives and all that. This is also something I bought sometime back in the 80s, it's already 40 years old and it's still going. And to make my kit versatile, I added some nylon ropes. I had this little kit here, whistle flashlight and another flashlight, and of course Ziploc bags. So this is something that I carry with me in the pack. It really folds up nicely. Okay, I also have cotton buds, for tinder. And this is something that Trangia made that is really versatile. I'm still trying to figure out. Okay, I freed the guard. And voila, the Victorinox Safari is folded back. Everything is in a very compact package in this form. Of course, the mesh tin itself, it's a product by itself, like it's a standalone thing. The neoprene cover, cutting board, and insert is something that Trangia manufactures separately. Of course, if you want to cook, you can cook with the mesh tin, okay. And then what you need is just one of these simple stove. This is from Daiso, okay. It's a hexamine tablet stove. So what you do is that you set it up like that, put the stove there, put a hexamine tablet, and your Trangia mess tin, is now a vessel that you can use to prepare food, boil water, and even have a simple cooked meal with it. So right now, I guess the latest iteration of the Trangia is the anniversary Trangia mess tin. It has a special engraving. It comes with its own box. You can buy it directly from Trangia's website in Sweden. So there you have it, man. The Trangia mess tin. This is an excellent meal kit. Yeah.